Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about the JAMB 2020 examination date. That's the exam date for JAMB 2020. Okay, I think JAMB announced this on the 24th. That's I think Christmas Eve, and I couldn't do a video about it on my channel to notify you, okay, that the date has been set by JAMB. And you know, earlier on this year, because of the elections, there were a lot of speculations on the date, okay, but this year there is no election, there's no major thing in the country going on, so the date is the date. Okay, before we go into that video now, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel on YouTube where we prepare students for your WAEC, your NECO, your JAMB, your GCE, your post-UTME. Even after your JAMB, we do post-UTME videos to prep you for your exams and to ensure that you pass and gain admission into university. And also try to check out this video I did. This is the last video I did, how to choose a university. It's also going to help you to fill your registration form, okay? And I'm also going to tell you when JAMB is going to start registration for 2020 UTME exams. And also, if you want to join our free online Facebook group tutorial, okay, I'm also going to leave the link in the video description box of this video. All right, so let's get on to the video now. Okay, I just posted this. And don't forget, please try to click the subscribe button, okay? Subscribe. All right, to support us to do more, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload an educational video for you. And more videos are coming for you. Is it the JAMB Sweet 16, the summary, the questions and answers, over 140 questions and answers? I'm also going to do that video because it's still the Sweet 16 novel you're going to be using for your English. So, and last year I also gave out the 140 questions and answer for free, and this year I'm also going to do the same. So stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed so you're notified when I upload that video, to notify you how to get that and also how to get the summary, okay? And I think the summary is already on the blog, so you can also go to our DT Tutorials blog to download to start reading, okay? But for the 140 questions and answer, I will tell you how you can get it. I'll do a video, so make sure you subscribe, support us, and also share this channel with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Please share. And if you have a question, please feel free, comment in the video, just go down, comment, and I will respond to you, okay? Any question you feel like asking, please feel free, comment and also interact with other students. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up, as it helps to promote this on YouTube, okay? So don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay, and the notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so let's get on to the exam date posts. I just posted this on the blog. Okay, so the exam dates. All right, so March 14th to April 4th. Okay, so this is when the exam is going to start. JAMB 2020 exam, March 14th, and I've calculated it. You just have 77 days more, and that's like 2 months and 2 weeks. So you have to start prepping. All right, and why JAMB made the announcement on Christmas Eve is to prep your mind. After celebration, you know that there's work to do. So after the New Year celebration on the 2nd, you should know, if you're a student, you should just start prepping. Even now, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, that you are home really not doing anything because of the holidays, it's time for you to also read. Start reading. Cover up something. Don't say, I'll wait till January. Even if it's 2 hours a day, you read and you go have fun, you go out with your friends. 2 hours, you will cover up something. All right, so start reading now, so you can, as you see, you just have 77 days, a countdown. All right, we're doing a countdown. That's why we also have the Facebook group, which you can join to also get motivated. All right, so you can click there, join, invite your friends to the group. All right, and in January we're going to start intensive tutorial on the group by God's grace. Okay, God giving me strength. I just pray for me for more strength to support you in your exams. All right, and if you don't have the syllabus, please try to go download the syllabus. Right now the 2020 syllabus isn't out, but you can use the 2019 syllabus. All right, I'm sure it will be out when the registration will commence, and the registration will commence January 13th. That's when JAMB registration, the forms will be out and available for sale, and that's when you start you start registering. And as I've done a video on the JAMB brochure, okay, which helps you to choose your university, to let you know the kind of the subject combination and all. I've done that video, so go check it. If you check on downloads or just check on our post, you see where you can download the JAMB brochure to help you fill your registration. But I think in January I'll also do a video also to refresh you on how to register the JAMB registration process and all that. I'll try to do that video for you. Okay, so the JAMB registration is going to start 13th, and you can download the syllabus. By that time, I think the JAMB 2020 syllabus 2 should be out, so I'm going to update that. But still, you can use this syllabus to read, okay, to study, because a lot of students have been asking if they want JAMB 2020, but it's not yet out. So but you can use this syllabus to read as a guide, okay, so you could cover up so many grounds. All right, and what else do we have? Okay, and the mock exams is optional. So if you want to sit for the mock exam, is in February 18th. All right, so every date has been given here, so all you need to do is just read this post and just know you have 77 days to your exam. That's your exam starts March 14th. There's a window period because of the CBT test and limited test centers, so everyone has a date. All right, and definitely just join the group if you have any issues with registration and all that. There will be answers to that, so make sure you join the group. Apart from your intensive tutorials, it will also help you relate with other students to know solutions to any issue you're having in your registration. Okay, so that's all for now. So try to check our downloads to get your syllabus, to get the Sweet 16 PDF summary, and so many other things on the blog. Okay, let me not use too much time on this video. All right, and you can see you have online test, CBT test. You can also try to work on. Okay, okay, and so that's it all for now. So don't forget to please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be instantly notified. And you can see for your WAEC students, there are several videos, prep videos that are on the channel that will help you, and several more to come. Your JAMB 2019 math solved by God's grace will be out, and physics will be out very soon by God's grace. I'm also working on that, putting much energy on that so you could pass your exams. All right, you also have about 6 past questions on the channel. All right, just go check. I've created a playlist, you just see it on the page. All right, so try to go watch that. So many testimonies of students that just watch that alone, and that's it. Okay, so okay, you can see that I've arranged them here for you. So physics, JAMB, this is WAEC. All right, and when I upload more, I'm also going to update this for the junior WAEC students. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this channel with your friends, family, and loved ones, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions. And don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. See you in our next video. Thank you.